Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Denon earbuds with your PC. So all I have to do is just to open the case and click and hold this back button until this indicator right here starts blinking white. There we go. Right now release that, keep it open, put it close to your device. Now just go to the Bluetooth settings. So open the settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices, click to add device and select Bluetooth. Then from this devices list, you have to select your Denon AH C830NCW, but it's only available for one of the earbud. So we have to wait until it pops on the list, but with this earphones or headphones icon. So just be patient and wait a little bit. There we go, they appears right here. So select them. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.